KSCP stock, Knightscope Inc. currently trading at $14.0379, a gain of 137%. So the stock is strongly bullish right now. We are looking at the 1 minute chart of the stock. Right now it is trading above all of its moving averages, but trying to get support from its 10-minute moving average. Let's get the news. The news is that okay, I think it debuted today, the 28th of January 2022. It says, and it says that its shares, it has added another. It has added a Swedish security company, Securitas, as a client. So the company said the unnamed company is one of the largest finance companies in the US as part of the security program. Knightscope's K5 autonomous security robot will patrol a newly constructed parking security structure, to help deter car thieves, loiterers, and trespassers. So that's one piece of it. Yes, it's added a Swedish security company, and then a Swedish security company has added K5 to its security apparatus, and then it has also signed up with another another large or rather one of the largest finance firms in the US. Okay, so that's the news. I think it debuted today, the 28th of January 2021. Let's get the volumes and see what's going on here. It's a breath of fresh air, I believe, for a lot of market participants here. You can see what's going on. 24.094 million shares are crossing the tape. You can see a lot of them are positive. You can see that market participants are really bullish on the stock. We're really bullish. You can hardly see anything selling out there. But even at that, it's just moving sideways. So left to us, it's just too early to. I believe it debuted today. Let's have a look and see what's going on. Yeah, today is a first trading session, and I'm just going to be skeptical. We're just going to plot a few Fibonacci grids and see grid lines and see what we're going to have. So we are, let's pick it from here, 14.03. This is its first trading session, so expect it to retrace after this session. So let's get all the way down here. So right now it's above its 100% extension level, so and extending. So these are the various supports it has, and if it's going to retrace now, the next support is at 1393, but it's currently strongly bullish and extending. So we have done the supports, so we can always go ahead and do the plot out calculate the extension level. So we use this value of 1398, or 1398 I believe. Okay, and okay, let's use this one. Let's use 1368 and 1286, 1371 and 1286. We have 0.85, that's the difference, multiplied by 2.618. We have 225, 222, plus 1420. So target, if it's going to extend, we have a more, well, going by what it has done today, we can call it a modest target of 16.423, 16.425, 16.43 Knightscope. 16.43, can it get there? Not in this session, I believe, maybe in the post-market session. But at the same time, we have these, we expect the stock to pull back and retrace. It was also halted up on various occasions. You can see that. I believe this may have been when it was halted. So if it's going to pull back, we have these supports here, 13.93 and 12.08, 10.93, $10, 9.07. It might actually fall below all of these support levels. So our target is 16.43. So the stock is strongly bullish right now and extend. The momentum is very strong. Let's look at the 10-minute chart. It's supposed to be strongly bullish as well. You can see that. $15 minutes, let's look at that. Strongly bullish as well. So let's return to the 1 minute. So it's currently at 14.75, 14.764. Let's return to the volumes and see what's going on there. Market participants are strongly bullish, very positive. You can hardly see any red coming in through here. So market is closing in 5 minutes. You can see a batch of red. Okay, it's now at 15.09. Our target is 16.43. Can it get there? Is that ambitious? At the same time, we expect the stock to pull back, to expect it to really pull back. We expect it to pull back and cool off towards supports, towards the various supports we have: 13.93, 12.08, 10.93. As a matter of fact, it can fall even way below all the supports we have here, which is the lowest of them is 6.07. So it's at 15.71 now. We have a target of 16.43. Can it get it? It's at 16 right now. 171.9. You can see. I mean, I expect it to definitely cool off and retrace. This is a very steep angle of attack here. We can see that trading halted. Yes, and it's what we're expecting is a good chance it's going to retrace. So let's quickly have a look and see whether it has what the float is like. No figures yet. Okay, but do we have any disclosures concerning the stock? Let's see whether we can find any details. Let's see what's going on. Halted, still halted. Let's see. The market is closing very soon. Still halted. Okay, we don't have any disclosure here, but you can always find it on Edgar. So very soon the details might become public, or rather may become easily accessible, a lot more easily accessible. So right now it's halted at $16.07. We have a target of 16.43. See what you make of KSCP, but be really careful, very careful, be very careful. Okay, we're expected to retrace and fall towards its levels, support levels from 1393 all the way to 607, but at the same time, if we're going to extend, we have a target of 16.43. okay, so thank you very much for watching this video.